The debate is trending, which means people are responding and feel very strongly about this. Thank you for joining us. And finally, the story that we've been tracking through the day, the BJP went on record today. The Trinamool Congress, of course, has faced back-to-back resignations, and Mamata's top aides have quit, and soon there could be a second round of resignation letters at her doorstep. The BJP says 40 MLAs and more could be jumping ship. One MP has already gone on record to hint at an exit.
The first setback for Mamata was when her trusted aide jumped ship to BJP with Amit Shah by his side.
अगले साल जब चुनाव आएगा ना सुनामी हो जाएगा और बंगाल का जनता तैयार कर लिया ये जो तोलाबाज भातीजा का सरकार चल रहा है उसको उखाड़ फेंकने के लिए बंगाल का जनता तैयार है.
From ministers to grassroots leaders, Mamata has lost her lieutenants, and the BJP's latest claim could put the TMC on the back foot.
मेरे पास 41 विधायकों की सूची है जो बीजेपी में आना चाहते हैं. यदि वो 41 विधायक को मैं ले लूं तो सरकार गिर जाए, पर हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि किसको लेना और किसको नहीं लेना.
Is this why a nervous TMC is seeking support from other parties?
I never said, all that I said is that if the left and the Congress are genuine anti-BJP forces, they should line up behind Trinamool Congress, because Trinamool Congress under Mamata Banerjee is the only party which is fighting the divisive politics of the BJP.
If the BJP's claim is true, it's an alarm bell for the TMC that has been warned by its own.
Why the people are leaving, the loyalists are leaving, Didi?
The loyalists are leaving because these, termites are irritating them, backbiters, backstabbers, because they are very silent killers. These people are called silent killers because they are, backstabbing people very silently, and they are not seen anywhere. Why are they not seen anywhere? Because they are not into any work.
So is Mamata losing grip over her party? Is TMC bracing for another exodus? Let's debate.
Okay, this is a three-way debate between Sanju Verma, Advocate Waris Pathan of the AIMIM, and Mohammad Tausif Rahman, who's a political analyst who leans towards the Trinamool Congress. It's a three-way debate, so it's BJP versus AIMIM versus pro-TMC. Can I say that, Tausif? Can I say you're pro-TMC? Is it fair?
We love Didi. You can say that. I love Didi. I love Mamata Banerjee. I respect my honorable CM. And what else?
Okay, great. So yesterday on the debate, Tausif, I kept pressing you. Tausif, on the debate, I kept pressing you. Waris, very interesting. I kept pressing him on why Mamata Banerjee's party had openly given out an invitation to the Trinamool to the left and Congress. Yesterday, Waris, I don't know whether you heard, but the biggest headline was Trinamool Congress asking for an alliance not with Owaisi but with the left and the Congress party. And this morning, the answer
And what is
came from the Trinamool Congress itself.
They never said. This is
No,
you who are
I'll tell you.
This is you.
BJP says wait. BJP says 40 MLAs.
No. You can't just
No.
go ahead.
I have not quoted you. I said I was asking you. No. Not you, Tausif, not you. Tausif, not you personally, my friend. No, I'm not quoting you. I said Trinamool Congress went on record to give an invitation to the left and Congress.
If anyone
This morning we got the answer why.
They can back us.
Waris,
That doesn't mean you have to share the seat with us.
BJP has gone on record to say 40 MLAs.
Not our statement.
Tausif, let me complete the question. No, wait. No. BJP says 40 MLAs are joining us. One MP has gone on record today. Satabdi Roy, a sitting MP of the Trinamool, has gone on record to indicate that she's also quitting.
Can't stop them.
What's going on? Is this the real reason, Waris? Waris will open, and then Tausif, and then Sanju Verma will come in. It's a three-way debate.
Niranjan, let me tell you. Well, Niranjan, these are the same people who have taken the votes of the people in the name of secularism, and today they all are going and joining the BJP. Now the BJP has become a washing machine. Till yesterday, these were some of the tainted people in the TMC. Now, as soon as they will join the BJP,
they will become clean. They will be as soft as feather, you know, Niranjan. They will not, unblemished people, they will be called by the BJP. And what has happened? They have betrayed the voters who voted them in the name of secularism. And today the people of Bengal are seeing what is happening. Now the frustration of Mamta Adi can be very much seen from her statements which she is making against us. This is her frustration when she calls her B team, C team, D team. Hare, she should introspect in herself, in her party.
Yeah, where is that coming from?
Why people are living in our party? Why her top leaders are going and joining the BJP? Because she cannot take control of her own party and she is taking out the frustration on us. Yes, we are very well contesting election in the West Bengal. Our party chief Asad Owaisi last week went at Furkana Sharif. He met Abbas Siddiqui and we will be joining him and we will contest. See, in democracy we live. We follow the constitution. Democracy has given us right to contest election.
Is that why she's reaching out to the left and Congress and not you?
Everyone is contesting. We will... See, we are working for everybody. Niranjan, let me tell you, people are looking at us with expectation that yes, MIM is the only party who works for the betterment of the people, and that is why not only Muslims, Dalits, Adivasis, tribals, even other people, they are joining us because they feel that Asad Owaisi is the option now. Earlier people did not have option, so they went and voted for Congress, they went and voted for the TMC. But today the people of West Bengal or Uttar Pradesh or Gujarat, they have an option in the name of Asad Owaisi. And let me tell you, Niranjan, we have been to Gujarat, we have been to UP, we have seen West Bengal. The love of the people is so much for the party that they want us to come there. Because for so many years they ruled and nothing happened to them. No betterment of the people. Now what the people are leaving TMC and going and joining BJP. Why is this not a betrayal to the voters of West Bengal when they take the vote in the name of secularism and go and join BJP?
It's enough and
So
enough.
I would rather
Tausif, you want to come in and I'll let Sanju Verma come in.
I'm not bothered about MIM. MIM can say anything they want to because we are not even bothered. But when you say that
No, if you're not, then why is Trinamool Congress attacking Owaisi?
Buddy, please listen to me, sir. Please listen to me, sir. Please listen to me, sir.
You know, it's a three-way debate. Okay, go ahead, Sanju. Go ahead.
It's their constitutional right. They are most welcome. But trust me, it is not about Muslims.
You will have to lower the fader. That's not my job.
Since 1947.
You don't allow me to come in because you continue to have these people.
No, we don't lower faders anymore. No, we don't lower faders at all.
Second.
We don't lower faders.
Second. Listen to me, please.
No, he's responding to Waris, and then you can respond, Sanju. Give him 30 seconds. 30 seconds. You can respond.
No. If Kailash Vijayvargiya
No, hold on. I need to give him his turn because I said Waris will speak and then Tausif will respond. So after Tausif, you can come in, Sanju.
You're not letting me speak.
Tausif, make your point. Sanju Verma wants to respond to you. I'll give you 10 seconds more. Okay, you're done. Okay, Sanju Verma. Then come in, yaar. There's too much of delay.
Ranjan, I just want to say a couple of things. I want to say a couple of things. The fact of the matter is that the BJP is a secular party. This whole narrative that BJP is communal, excuse me, BJP is not pseudo-secular, we are not Islamophobic, but we reject people who indulge in Hindu-phobia. Mamta Banerjee is Hindu-phobic. You don't allow people to celebrate Hanuman Jayanti. You don't want people in West Bengal to celebrate Ram Navami. Since 2012, there's a village called Nalhati in Birbhum district, where people have not been allowed to celebrate Durga Pujo. 3,000 Hindu families. So don't come here and give the BJP a bhashan on secularism. Let me tell you that this Bhatijawad, Parivarwad, dynastic politics perpetuated by Mamta Banerjee has run its course. Trinamool Congress is a sinking ship. JP Nadda ji went to Bengal on 9th January. We have started the Ek Muthi Chawal Ka Sangharsh Abhiyan. We will be visiting 40,000 Gram Panchayats in Bengal and we will be collecting rice from 48,000 farmers to establish a connect with the farming community. I want to ask you, why has Mamta Banerjee not implemented Ayushman Bharat in Bengal? Why did she refuse to implement the Smart City Mission in Bengal? Why did she refuse to implement initially PM Kisan Yojana? despite the fact that 71 lakh farmers in Bengal are in desperate need of PM Kisan. Why did she refuse to implement the Real Estate Regulatory Authority Act in Bengal? Why did she refuse to implement the PM Ujjwala Yojana in Bengal? Mamata Banerjee is a fascist dictator. Her ego and her hubris have overtaken the need of the people of Bengal, which is crying for governance and development. Do you know what is the condition of five
you know,
specially zones in Bengal?
we can have a debate and each one of you can get to speak, but not over each other. Just hear me out, hear me out, hear me out, hear me out. This is about the exodus. This is about the exodus, right, Tausif?
SEZs were supposed to usher in industrialization, but nothing has happened.
Yeah. Varis, let me... Sanju, let me get in Varis. I'll give you your turn again, Varis, the exodus, now there is a problem in Bengal. It's a serious problem. Sanju, I agree with you, it's a serious problem. Mamata Banerjee is facing, you know, has her back against the wall. I agree with you. But the exodus is never ending, Varis. And how do you look at it? Because you see, 5 block level presidents resigned after Suvendu Adhikari's exit in December. She convened emergency meetings over the mass resignations on 18th of December. The minority cell leader also quit. This is the West Bengal Trinamool Congress minority cell's Haji Nurul Islam. TMC Minister Lakshmi Shukla, he's also resigned. Barakpur MLA Silbhadra Datta also resigned. Rudranil Ghosh has vowed not to come back to the Trinamool Congress.
This is some Kabirul Islam, not Haji Nurul Islam.
Hold on. 14 Trinamool Congress councillors have resigned.
For West Bengal, he's not going anywhere.
No. Then why did Satabdi Roy speak out today? Why did Satabdi Roy? Okay, you know what? Why did Satabdi Roy? Why did Satabdi Roy today indicate that she's going to quit?
You openly allowed to.
Oh my God. Okay, Varis, my question was to Varis. Question was to Varis.
Wrong quotation.
I just told you question was to Varis and you can respond. Tausif. Varis and you can respond. Varis.
Don't give wrong quotation. I'm really sorry. Please.
Tausif, let him speak. No, Tausif, I gave you a turn. No, let him speak and you can respond.
If she cannot...
Don't bring wrong names, please.
Well, Niranjan, who is responsible for this exodus? Mamata Banerjee herself. If she cannot control her own leaders, her own ministers, she should not blame
I said Haji Nurul Islam.
Don't give names to others by calling them B team, C team and D team when you don't have control over your own leaders.
He's the chairman for minority cell. You are lying.
Arey Tausif, allow me to make my point.
What are you saying, sir? Who told you Haji Nurul Islam?
अरे नहीं गए तो चले जाएंगे. If they are not gone, they are in the queue. So many people are in queue. They are going to the BJP. And I won't be surprised if tomorrow everybody goes to the BJP and joins the BJP. Niranjan, I won't be surprised if in the coming days many people from the TMC would go there and join the BJP.
You know that.
Why should we not go along with Abbas Siddiqui? Why are you having stomach ache if we are going with Abbas Siddiqui? We are living in a democratic country. Can we not contest election in West Bengal? See, this is what is the difficulty, Niranjan. They don't introspect within themselves and they start blaming the others for their own failures. You should blame your own party for your failures rather than putting the blame on us. See, we are contesting. It is for sure. People of West Bengal wants MIM to come there and contest. And Niranjan, I am dead sure our party will take a decision and will contest in West Bengal. And I am sure that people love and affection will be there along with their duas. And we will win. We will win majority in BJP. We will win. Why Tausif is so much aggressive? Why?
Minister is expected to quit.
First, you come to the debate with.
You have your constitutional right.
But then but you are saying that if we will come there.
No one is stopping you. Baris bhai, you are most welcome.
We are coming, of course, yes. Our party president, Barrister Asaduddin Owaisi, went to Futkura Sharif and he met Abbas Siddiqui. And in the near future, you will hear from him that yes, we are contesting the Bengal election and we will be in. We will be in alliance with Abbas Siddiqui.
No.
Sir, sir.
Are we are talking about
Tausif, the point I was making is,
please,
there's a small correction. Small correction.
That we are living in a democratic country and I am entitled
No,
to
small
contest.
correction before Tausif, misquotes me, cuts my clip and then makes it go viral. Hold on. Tausif, small correction. It was a letter written to West Bengal Trinamool Congress Minority Cell, Haji Nurul Islam. Kabirul Islam wrote the letter saying that he was quitting from his position as per ANI. He said he tenders his resignation. Now there are many people.
You know,
He wrote a letter, I have it on record. He wrote a letter that he wants to quit. Yes or no? That's not the point. Point is, leaders are quitting.
Betrayal. This is the betrayal to the voters who voted to the TMC in the name of secularism. This is the betrayal to the people of West Bengal.
That Trinamool Congress is a hub of
This is a betrayal to the people of West Bengal who voted in the name of secularism to the TMC. Now today the leaders, the elected members have taken the vote in secularism. They are going and joining BJP. Now who is responsible? Now Mamata Banerjee will blame whom?
Do you
Whom
need
will
a
she
bigger
blame
certificate
now?
than your
Why
own
is she
sibling
quiet now?
denouncing
Why?
you? Point number one. Point number two,
madam.
we will win more than 200 seats. Point number three, our vote share was 41% in Lok Sabha.
How many seats are you? How many seats is Owaisi winning?
Watch how we multiply that going forward.
The way
You put a number to it. I just wanted to ask because
Prashant Kishore, a native of Bihar, who has been named the vice
on a lighter note, Sanju, on a lighter note, I have to end the debate. Sanju, on a lighter note. Sanju Verma, on a lighter note, as I end the debate, Sanju Verma and Tausif and Sanju Verma on a lighter note before I end the debate. Please pull back, I want to say something. No, I want to say something just before we end the debate. Look at the irony. No, listen, Sanju, look at the irony. Varis, look at the irony. Right? Trinamool Congress. Viewers, look at the irony. Trinamool Congress reaches out to the left and the Congress party. But not to Owaisi and the AIMIM. Today on the debate, BJP attacks TMC but not AIMIM.
About that.
Niranjan, again you are
right?
Those whoever wants to come with us, they will come. With Gujarat, we are going with BTP President Chotubai Wasawa.
Says who? What am I lying? What am I lying?
Rajbhar.
You are lying. Just tell
Why
me.
should
What am I lying?
ask them to join us? If they want, they can.
Oh God, you want? Okay, I'll send you the clip. It was a comment yesterday. I'll send you the clip.
No.
I'll send you the clip.
Policies that improve the standard.
I'll send you the clip. Why is Mamata Banerjee nervous about Owaisi? Why is Mamata Banerjee also nervous about Owaisi?
The people of Bengal deserve
Why?
far more and far better.
Because she knows very well at the back of her mind that the people
Why is Mamata nervous about Owaisi?
to come there and contest election and win.
Bengal deserve more than a
Because she knows that she has not done anything for the betterment of the people of West
I have to end the
Bengal.
debate.
Not the Communist Party of India. The Communal Party of India is Bhajpa, and we should be united. And
Okay, you know what? I have to end the debate. Sanju Varis and Tausif, I have to end the debate. Sanju Varis and Tausif, I have to end the debate at this point. But let me tell you, it was on record yesterday. Tausif, how much ever you try and, remain in denial, the Trinamool Congress did say that Congress and left must stand behind Mamata Banerjee. If that is not an invitation, I don't know what is. Thank you for joining us on the debate, Varis and Sanju. Thank you. Taking a short break, Arnab Goswami will be back tomorrow at 9 p.m. Until then, good night and goodbye.